Hey you guys, it's day 361 of quarantine and these roots are not looking too hot, so we are just gonna attempt to highlight my own hair. It should be good. Some of the supplies that you need. Oh, don't worry, hairdressers, I'm using all professional products, so I mean, that makes it better, right? I have gloves. I'm gonna do cap highlights. Good old-fashioned cap. If any of y'all were friends with me in high school or college, this looks very familiar, I'm sure, because it's probably how I did your hair. This little pokey thing pulls your hair through. I ordered Developer online, and I know y'all think I'm crazy for doing 30 on this blonde hair, but I promise I can handle it. But it was cheaper to get 40 volume online. Like way cheaper. I don't know why, like 3 of these were like $6, but I'm gonna mix some with a 6 volume. And you know, like if I do like 3 parts of 40 and 1 part of 6, that's like 126 divided by 4. That's like 31 and a half developers. So, I mean, math, it'll be fine. My hair is not gonna fall out. It'll be cool. I have this little bowl to mix it in. I got a comb. It's the powder lightener. Look, see, I got the good shit. A drink of choice to make this go smoothly, I guess. How do I look? Oh shoot, I just undid my rope. I had to get this thinner one on because it was getting real hot up in this cap. So now, I take this little thing and poke all the holes, and I'm looking real brunette. So I'm gonna poke every hole, like the circles and the other ones. Hopefully I can do this and I don't need to get AJ's assistance on this. It's got this little hook and you just kind of poke and pull. But I'm gonna start back here, but you can't really see it. So, wish me luck. My arm was getting tired. I needed to enlist in some assistance. Thanks, baby. Alright, I got some help from the hubby because he's literally the best. I just gotta finish up here, which is kind of hard to do one-handed, but we're getting there. Just the last few to go. Now I'm just gonna comb this out, make sure there's no loopy loops. Like these little loops in here. All right, now we're gonna mix up some bleach and see how this goes. I have like, oh my gosh, my hair's so short, I don't need as much as I usually do. Let's just put a little scoopsie, making a mess. And let's pour like that much with, let's throw a little 6 on there so it's not quite so strong. And mix this bad boy up. And throw on some gloves. I'm just gonna kind of slap this on with my hands. So here we go. Hopefully I don't get this on my couch. Oops. Probably should have done this when AJ was still out here, but he like just went to go shower. So I don't really know what the back looks like. How's it look? I'm sure it's great, right? And I guess I'm just gonna leave this on for like 20 minutes maybe. Just check on it. Oh gosh. All right. Tuck all these little pieces in. I have no idea how this is gonna look in the back. Oh gosh, I'm a mess. Wish me luck, people. This is what we've come up with. Doesn't look too bad so far. Not sure about this little streaky stuff, but we will have to see what happens after I blow dry it. And not too shabby.